Hey guys, it's Jonesy. Quick video on a few bits and pieces that have turned up for my new heli build. For those of you that don't know, I'm actually doing a 500 build now. I've got the rest of the bits and pieces probably rolling in over the next couple of weeks, but I've just got these first lot of things today, so I'll just quickly go through what I've got, and I'll do another video when the rest of the other stuff arrives, just so you can see what I'm going to be using. So first off, I've got the Hobby King 80 amp SBEC. I've been using the Turnigy Plush BECs on my 450s, and I've been really happy with those. They do make bigger ESCs, but the Plush bigger BECs only still have a 3 amp BEC in them, whereas the this one's actually got a I think it's a 5 or a 6 amp BEC. So I could have used the Turnigy Plush, but I would have had to run an external BEC with that, which I didn't really want to do. So I've also ordered the programming card for this, which should make it easy, but all reports are these are really reliable ESC. So yeah, looking forward to having a play with that. I've also got the basically the bigger version of the H2218 motor that I've been using in the 450s. This is the H3126 1600 kV. So this is all going to be a 6S LiPo setup, and this motor is definitely a big mother compared to the 450 size. It's funny, when I very first got my 450 motor turn up, I was actually surprised how small it was. So this one here is probably about the size that I thought the other one was going to be. Yeah, that's the motor. And I've also got a couple of the Nanotech 2650 milliamp 35 to 70C LiPo packs. I've chosen to go with the HXT 4mm connectors, which actually come standard on these batteries. They're rated up to about 90 amps, whereas the XT60 connectors are only rated up to about 60 amps. So I've got a few more of these connectors coming for the ESC, and I've also got a parallel charging board and a few other bits and pieces with this new type of connector. One thing I do really like about these compared to the XT60 is you can actually disconnect them without having to pull on the wires. That's one thing I really don't like with the XT60 connectors, because you actually have to pull on the wires a little bit to get them apart before you can actually grab the connector to disconnect it. So these ones aren't like that, and I haven't actually soldered these before, but apparently they're very easy. You do it outside of the connector and then they just click in. So that's what I'm going to start using now on all my packs, and yeah, that should be good. So that's a few bits and pieces that I've got so far. As I said, the rest of the stuff should be arriving over the next week to week and a half. So as soon as I get the kit and the servos and all the other bits and pieces, I'll do another quick video and just show you what I'm using. So thanks for watching, and catch you next time. See ya.